You know, I was watching that Mandalorian thing I told you, Will.
Yeah.
Well, now you have the real world Mandalorian, and you know where he is? He's exactly where you might expect him to be, on the streets of Los Angeles. And he even has his very own Baby Yoda, which is really not Baby Yoda, but popularized as Baby Yoda as such. He's on the streets of Los Angeles, and he's moving around on an electric skateboard, and you can catch the clip. People are really getting a kick out of it. And immediately I saw this. I'm like, this must be a YouTuber of some kind. Play a little bit of the video. But it's not. It's not a YouTuber of some kind. It's actually a comedian playing the role. And he said, look, I'm just doing this to give people a little laugh because it's rough out there.
Yeah.
And so he's just on the electric skateboard, just moving about town. And he's looking a little smoother than Mo does on the electric skateboard because earlier today he spilled a coffee all over the floor.
Oh, no.
And himself, all over his face, all over the floor when he was on the electric skateboard.
Uh-huh. Still working on it, eh?
Yeah, he's not on the Mandalorian level yet for this.
No.
But anyway, people saw the clip, figured out this guy was a comedian and what he was doing, and then they sent it to Favreau because they want to try and get the guy a role in the upcoming season. Obviously not as Mando.
Yeah, he takes his place. Pedro Pascal.
But, just a small cameo for the, for the enthusiasm here. However, he has been pulled over by a couple cops because he's just not necessarily obeying the traffic laws there. But the cops so far have gotten a kick out of it, and they've been pretty cool about it.